Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Rolly Casillan, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Philip Sison, International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Bulldogs of the National University. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Seaman Desiree Dadang. At number 9, Aiko Urdas. Wearing jersey number 11, Myla Pablo. At number 16, their team captain, Aliona Denise Santiago. Wearing jersey number 10, guest player, Ruby De Leon. And at number 3, guest player, Elijah Daphne Santiago. Libero, number 12, Jeneline Reyes. Head coach, Mr. Edjet Mabayas. Calling on our Lady Altas from the University of Perpetual Health System Delta. Wearing jersey number 5, Nori Jane Diaz. At number 8, April Ann Sartin. At number 15, team captain Honey Royce Tubino. Guest player with jersey number 16, Joy Gazelle Cases. Guest player with jersey number 18, Ariane May Argarin. And for the first time, at number 10, Sandra De Los Santos. Libero, number 1, Vima Condada. Head coach, Mr. Jason Sapin. Good luck to both teams.
Ayan na po, pinakilala na po starting lineup na magkabilang koponan. We are here at the arena in San Juan City at dito nyo po mabibili itong ating 10th anniversary coffee table book ng Shakey's V-League. Dito lang po sa San Juan Arena at natutuwa naman ako sa mga nagpa-pictorial pa talaga. Ayan, no?
Fully made up.
Fully made up, pero may eksena sila rito, tumatakbo sila. That's one of the many pictures. These are one of the many pictures na makikita nyo po dito sa ating 10th anniversary coffee table book. Of course, our phonetics, www.v-league.ph ang ating official website. Facebook.com/ShakeysVLeague. Please like and follow us on Twitter, VLeague_PH. And you can also use the hashtag ShakeysVLeague. At sigurado, chinarge ko na yung telepono ko, ready to fire na yan. Okay? Yan. Nasa sahig na nga. Ba't kaya umabot doon? Ready to fire na yan sa mga magti-tweet, nagpapabati sa live streaming. As we are underway, the undefeated NU Lady Bulldogs, kalaban po ang Perpetual, still looking for their first win. And that's a good sign as Royce Tubino scores the first points para dito sa Lady Perps.
Yeah, we were talking about, we covered their first game.
Right.
And we were talking about Lady Perps coming off of vacation, and Sandra De Los Santos took a vacation. But we're expecting them to play a more cohesive game today.
Malaking bagay itong pagbalik ni Sandra De Los Santos sa kanilang lineup. Of course, she is the reigning MVP. De Los Santos gets it over to Pablo. De Leon, running attack naman, galing dito kay Dindin.
Wow! Hello, Perpetual from NU.
Sabi ni Dindin, eto, eat this. Baga sa Matrix, dodge this. Wawa naman, sino ba yung sumalpal? Si Argarin, yung kanilang setter. 1-all. Dindin Santiago.
Well, alam mo tong si Dindin, I'm sure sobrang siyang excited na, alam mo, ang setter niya ay isang premier setter, Ruby De Leon. So, parang fire at will na si Dindin.
Ay, isa pa, ito pa si Jaja, yung kanyang Shobe. Ano masasabi natin dito? Backset ngayon, Dindin from behind the line, nakalusot kay De Los Santos.
Well, alam mo, tong si Sandra De Los Santos looks like she lost weight. Tingnan mo yung muscle sa legs niya, parang medyo nawala, no?
Well, galing nga siya bakasyon. Kaunti pa lang ang naging training niya with the team. Pero alam naman natin, she's not the reigning MVP for nothing. Makikita natin yung kanyang kagalingan maya-maya. Samantala, Dindin Santiago, unang 3 puntos para sa NU nakuha niya, this time on a service ace.
Well, that's a good sign para tong sa NU because of course their captain is already scoring at will.
Dindin Santiago, all 6'2" of her, serving once again. Matalim na naman na serve. Cases, good reception this time. Argarin setting up Jane Diaz. And that one is picked up by NU. Here is Urdas, and Urdas will miss. So Aiko Urdas, kanyang unang tira. Napalakas. Ito na yung mga nagtitweet. Tumutunog na naman yung aking telepono. If it's family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Wala ka ba Twitter account na rin?
Alam mo naman wala eh.
Magkakaroon na yan. Magkakaroon na yan si Noringo. Tingnan mo, next coverage, next Tuesday.
Okay, fine.
Meron na yan. Tapos pina-follow na niya. Ako. Ang tira.
Tsaka Shakey's V-League.
Si Shakey's V-League. Yan, unang dalawang, basta yun lang, Norin, pag gagawa ka ng Twitter account, ako muna mo yun. Para madagdagan naman yung followers ko. 3 kada isang koponan dito. As the save, serve by Sartin is very good. Free ball given up by Aiko Ordaz. Here's Condada now. Argarin on the setup. Sandro De Los Santos, unang tira. Ruby De Leon, hindi na ilusot. So credit that actually to the attack nito si Sandra De Los Santos.
That's right. Alam mo, kahit makita natin yung sa game ni Sandra so far, no, wala pa siya yung lift na yung regular Sandra. Pero alam mo, matalino siyang player. She knows how to get it through.
At nakakaingit yung mga gano'n, nagbakasyon ka. Usually, yung mga atleta nagbabakasyon, tumataba. Siya pumayat. Jaja Santiago on the attack. Here's Ruby De Leon. One more time around. This time sa gilid kay Ordaz. Jane Diaz on the setup for Joy Cases. Saved by Condada. Argarin. Sandra De Los Santos. At napalakas sa kanyang tira.
Well, sorry, hitting error there. Pero medyo nakuha na niya yung timing niya. Konti na lang yung sa hand.
Right.
Yung sa contact.
Tawag natin dito kay Sandra De Los Santos, the future of Philippine volleyball, and the future has arrived. Last conference. Sipin mo yan, back-to-back award sa kanya, most improved player ng first conference, then MVP in the second conference of 2012.
Reminds me of yung sa basketball si Raba Al-Hussein.
Right.
Diba?
Yeah.
Parang from 1 year, you can see, okay, improved the next year,
right.
okay.
Tapos next year, injured.
Next year, injured.
Next year, injured. 5-4. And Team Dadang now to serve. 5-4 NU. Combination now. Joy Cases. Naabangan that time ni Ordaz. Diaz pamimigay. Jaja. De Leon. Parang give and go sa basketball yun.
So, nakita ko yung reaction ni Joy Cases, no?
Namutla bigla, no?
Tsaka yung smile lang.
Ayan o. Ayan, nanay ko.
And we're talking about a player na mas matangkad pa kay Dindin Santiago.
Right. 6'4", 16-year-old. Cases tries to push it over and that will be 4 touches. Hindi daw tumawid yung una niyang tira. Ito na, NU lumabang na ng 7 puntos dito sa ating first set.
Noel, diba, how many conferences ago we were talking about the Santiago sisters na bawal ang mag-stretching?
Okay lang yung mag-stretching, basta bawal lang yung mga ventilador na nakakabit sa kisame. Baka ma-disgrasya. Ito yung tulak ngayon, itong si Sandra. Myla Pablo na ilusot.
Good sign talaga for NU, no? Vertical leap, but